Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Git on Windows 11. First, open your browser and go to this link. Check it in the description box. Here, click the button to download Git for Windows. Next, click the link that says, "Click here to download." Your download should start automatically. Once it finishes, open the installer by clicking the download icon in your browser and then selecting Yes when prompted by Windows. Click Next on the first screen. The only change I made was setting the default editor to Visual Studio Code. After that, click Next until you reach the Finish button and then click Finish. To make sure Git was installed correctly, open the command prompt. Type Git and press Enter. You should see the Git command options. Or type Git-V to verify the installed Git version. And that's it. Git is now installed on your Windows 11 system. You're ready to start managing your projects with Git. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.